In this tutorial, you will learn how can you download Opera browser. So for downloading it, press Window key and then search here Microsoft Office and then open it. Oh, sorry, it's Microsoft Edge. And then search here Opera browser. And then click here, download the new Opera browser. And then click here, download now. Then just wait. So this will take some time. So here you can see it is downloading. So as you can see, it is downloaded. Now double click it. And just wait. Now accept and update. And then accept it. And here you can see it is downloading. So just wait. So as you can see, the Opera browser is launched. Now you can start browsing into Opera browser. Thanks for watching.